Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing. Cast that aside. Alright. Now I purchased the Apple Watch Series 4 along with the new XS iPhone, in part because I've been rocking the Series 0 for about 3.5 years now. I got this bad boy right when it came out, about spring of 2015 it was, and it's held up pretty well. Actually, don't even wear a case and didn't get its first scratch until just recently. So it was good enough. It was slow going in the end, as you all know about the software and whatnot, but this year, the first real physical redesign of the watch, I had to be in on this. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, that's the thing. Alright, the usual stuff is there. And over here is the watch. Wow. That's a nice little packaging. I got the 44 millimeter, the larger one, with the cellular. Thought I'd give that a try. Seems to make the watch more handy, at least in theory. We'll see how that works out. And oh yeah, as for the band that's under here, I didn't think the band mattered much given that they're pretty interchangeable, so I just got whatever they had at the store, and that was the black solid one. And I went gray this time. Last time I went silver. Actually, this is not the original band. I originally got it with the bright blue band, but that fell apart. Anyway, well, that's the Apple Watch Series 4. I'll have to put this together and then show it. And there's the watch on my wrist, side by side with the OG watch. Still have to set this bad boy up, connected to my phone. One little note is that I do wear the watch with the crown facing up. That's because I found with the old watch, the crown would dig into my arm here, and then it would come on, and I'd have false things come on the screen. It would do things on the screen that I didn't want it to do. So that got annoying, and so I decided to have the crown face up, and it works pretty well. I recommend that option. I'll see how it works on this bigger watch later on. But anyway, that's just a quick update. New Apple Watch Series 4 versus Apple Watch Series 0. I hear it's light years ahead of the 0, so I'll report back on how it goes.